Number 5. Wow, this one looks like I have to do some distributing first before I can do any solving. So I want to go ahead and multiply that 2 inside the parentheses there. So 2 times x, so 2x, and then 2 times negative 3, so minus 2 times 3 equals 3 minus x. And so 2 times 3 is 6, so I'll just write that in. So I have 2x minus 6 equals 3 minus x. And now I'm to the point where I can look at my equation and figure out what do I have to do with the x's. And I see that I have an x on each side of the equation, so I want to move them both to the same side. And in addition, this time I see that I have a number on each side, that a constant, so I can choose whichever side I want and it'll be equal for where I want to collect my x's. So I think I'll collect where the coefficient is larger. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll just add x to both sides, and that'll move things to where I have the 2x, which is the larger has the larger coefficient. So 2x plus a 1x, remember, is 3x minus 6 equals 3, and then it's plus 0 because my x's do cancel on the right-hand side. Next thing I want to do is move that 6 over, so it's a minus 6, so I'll do a plus 6, which is the opposite, and this negative 6 and the positive 6 undo, and that's my whole goal. I want to move it to the other side. So I have 3x equals 9. That's 6 plus 3, of course. And last thing, divide by that coefficient, divide by the 3, and I get x because these reduce to 1, and 1 times x is x. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I get 3 for my solution for this one too. So check it, I have 2 times the quantity. I'm going to plug in my 3 there, and then 3 minus the x again. So the thing I'm plugging in is a 3 in both places where there was an x in the original equation. This one's interesting because I see that I have 2 times the quantity. 3 minus 3 is 0. Equals 3 minus 3, which is also 0, and 2 times 0 is definitely 0, so that x equals 3 is correct.